What's going on, boaters? We just got in super clean 2017 Malibu 24 MXZ. Only 309 hours on this thing. One of my favorite features hopping into this boat is this step down, hence why this boat is super clean. You're not getting any shoes, dirty feet, anything on this interior. Really nice blue and gray interior with the sea deck. Of course, you got your board racks on the side, put in your surfboards. Ballast tanks are in the back. Open these up and you have access to your ballast bags in here. You got your surf pipe exhaust and of course the surf gate. Coming to the helm, dual screen dash, very easy to set up your wave. Fill all, empty all, fill it halfway. Very easy to operate. And in the front, you have a huge bow. You also have the filler sun pad in the front and armrest. Really nice spot to hang out. If you're looking for a really nice used surf boat, this is going to be one to have your eyes on. Come see it at MarineMax in Nisswa or on our website. Call us today for a showing.